Hello guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to say the chapter number 1 of class 10, that is India Relief Features. So this is very important chapter as well as very interesting, and many questions were given in the examinations of 4 marks or 1 mark, and they may also asking you the choices. So you should keep the interest on this, and you should listen the whole chapter. So India Relief Features. So in millions of years before, the earth is divided into 2 lines. Earth is divided into 2 lines. So you may arise one doubt that in India will come into which land. So first land is Gondwana land, and second one is Angara land. So India comes under the Gondwana land. India comes under the Gondwana land. So India is a Gondwana land, and also many people will say that India is a democratic country, and also it is a peninsular country. So what is we mean by peninsular country? So peninsular what is mean by peninsula? Peninsular, it means that it should cover 3 sides the water. 3 sides the water, and 1 side will be the land. Here 3 sides water. So it is peninsula. So you may arouse doubt that where are three oceans or 3 sides water around our India. So it is a west side, it is a south side, it is a north side, and it is a east side. So here western side there is a one ocean, that is Arabian Sea, and in eastern side there is a Bay of Bengal. And in southern side there is a Indian Ocean. So you can see here 3 sides water and 1 side land. So this is known as peninsula. So our India consists of mainly broadly divisions of our India, which consist of a 6 main broadly divisions. So first is Himalayas. So in Himalayas there are 3 types again: Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, and Shivaliks. So here this is our India map. So here there are Himalayas. These are Himalayas. So Himalayas forms the glaciers, which forms a glaciers, and the glaciers will form small rivers which flows throughout our country. So here Greater Himalayas. First we will talk about Greater Himalayas. So Greater Himalayas are these Himalayas. So here Greater Himalayas will be consist of a snow as well as ice. So these are about the Greater Himalayas. And the foot of the Greater Himalayas there will be Lesser Himalayas. So Lesser Himalayas will be consist of a hill stations. It consists of a hill stations because there are so many hill stations. Here there are so many hill stations like Nainital, Shimla, and Mussoorie. These are the famous hill stations which comes under the Himalayas. And then foot of the Himalayas there will form Shivaliks. Shivaliks will form the rivers. So rivers is nothing but there are Shivaliks. So this is about Himalayas. There are 3 types, and then next physical division is Indo-Gangetic Plains. Indo-Gangetic Plain. So Indo-Gangetic Plains also consist of three kinds. There are western part, central part and eastern part. So this is west and that is east, and this is north and this is south. So it is a central part. So here western part, this comes in the western part. So here western part consists of Indus river. Here it will be the Indus. So here it will be the Indus river. This is the Indus river, and the Indus river some minor portion will be present in the Pakistan, and also some major portion will be present in the Punjab. This is Punjab. So here it will be the Pakistan. So mainly major portion will be present in Pakistan and some portion will comes into the Punjab, that is western part, that is Indus, and then central part. So here this central part there will be the Ganga river. So Ganga river flows throughout our country because it is our Indian river which is present in our India. So this is about Ganga. The famous tributaries are Ghaggar, and Testa. These are the famous tributaries of Ganga. So this is about Ganga, and then eastern part. This is the eastern part. Here it will be located Brahmaputra. So here it will be the China as well as. So same like Indus, it is also present in China as well as Assam. Some part will be comes to the Assam and some part will be the between China and Assam. So here they will ask you one important question, that is, what is the line which presents between China and India? What is the line which presents between China as well as India? That is MC Mahon line. MC Mahon line. It will be present between China and India like a border. So this is about Indo-Gangetic Plains. Indus river will present in Pakistan as well as Punjab. The main tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, etc. And Ganga main tributaries are Ghaggar and Testa. And Brahmaputra will be present in China as well as Assam. So now we completed our two broad divisions of India, and now next we will go to Peninsular Plateau. So India is a peninsular plateau. So it consists of two types, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. So these are two main types of a plateau, and then Central Highlands again divides into two, that is Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. So we'll take here, this is total peninsular plateau. Because I said beginning that peninsular is nothing but it should cover three sides of water around the country. So here there are three sides of water. So this is whole is peninsular plateau. This is a peninsular plateau. So in this, the Deccan Plateau we need. So this is Telangana. So Telangana comes under Deccan Plateau. So this is Deccan Plateau, and Malwa Plateau will comes under western side. This is Malwa, and this is Chota Nagpur Plateau. So this is about peninsular plateau. There are two types, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is a Telangana state. So Telangana state comes under Deccan Plateau, and Malwa Plateau will comes under western side, and Chota Nagpur Plateau comes under eastern side. And now next we will come to coastal plains. So coastal plains divides into two, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. So again western coastal plains divides into three, Konkan coast, Canara coast and Malabar. And then next eastern also divided into three: Utkal coast, Sirkar coast, and Coromandel coast. These are the two types of coastal plains, and we'll see where Konkan coast, Canara coast, and Malabar coast will located in the India map. So this is Western Ghat. So these are western coastal plains, and these are eastern coastal plains. So here coastal Konkan coast will be present. Here it will be the Maharashtra. Here Konkan coast, and here Canara coast, and here Malabar coast. Here Karnataka will be present, and here Kerala will be present. Same here we'll see eastern coastal plains. These are eastern coastal plains. So here Utkal coast. Here Odisha will be present. So here it will be the Odisha. Here it will be Utkal coast, and here it will be the Andhra Pradesh. It is the Sirkar coast, and here it is Coromandel coast. So these are the two types of coast which are present in our country. There are western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains, Konkan coast, Canara coast, and Malabar coast, Utkal coast, Sirkar coast, and Coromandel coast. So now next we will see about Thar Desert. So you know in the world there is a largest desert in our world is Sahara Desert, and in India the largest desert is Thar Desert, which is present in Rajasthan. So this is Rajasthan. Sorry, here will be the Rajasthan. So this is a Rajasthan. So the Thar Desert will be located in the leeward side of Aravalli Hills. Here the Vindhya mountains will be the present. Vindhya mountains. So this is a Rajasthan. Here Thar Desert will be located. So as we know, the desert area will be very hot and they receive very less rainfall. So here there is only one small river, that is Luni. This is Luni river which flows from Rajasthan. It is very smallest river, as well as it is very hot, and here there will be the no rainfall. So now here these are Western Ghats and here Eastern Ghats. So this is also one part of India. So here the famous, the largest tip is Anaimudi. This is the largest hill station, Anaimudi. So this is about Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. And now at last topic is the islands. So as we know, there are two islands in our country. Here there will be the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, so here Andaman and Nicobar Islands will stretch into the Arabian Sea. Sorry, here Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So here Andaman and Nicobar Islands stretch into the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands will be stretched into the Arabian Sea. So the southernmost tip of Nicobar Islands called as Indira Point, which are submerged in 2004 due to the tsunami. So this is the whole chapter. I covered the whole chapter. It is very important as it may come in examination by 4 months. So if you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to KV School Education.